I've been covering a couple of the vintage Olympia tap handles, and hopefully this will be useful for anybody that's interested in collecting them or just wants to have a few more details about them, comparisons and stuff like that. So, anyways, this one is the one that I wanted to cover, and I'll be referencing another one here so that we can kind of do a compare and contrast. So with this one, there's a couple of things that you'll notice. First of all, this design is similar to the other one. So like other lucite taps, you've got the flat back there. You'll notice that. And then the curved elements are on the front here. And one of the things I do like to point out with this one is that with this one, you'll actually notice that the curves goes inwards like that. Some of the other ones for other taps will have a curving so that it's down on the edges, or we'll have it curving so that it's curved from the base to the top. With this one, with this style, it's kind of notable because it curves in and it curves in from side to side. You can actually see a little bit with the reflection there, so that's pretty cool. And then with this one, this is Olympia. This is just for standard Olympia beer, I guess. It's also worth noting that with a lot of these taps, it's fairly common for them to use a shiny or reflective material. With this one, you'll notice that there isn't that much for reflective elements, so just worth kind of calling out. And then it does have Olympia there. It says beer, and then it's got that horseshoe. You'll notice that this is the same on the front and the back. And then on top of that, down here, you've got the threading. With these ones, it's worth noting that you should have the threading as well as the insert. So the threading is standard threading for the insert. The insert is what's going to get you to the normal North American tap threading, which is the 3/8/16 threading. And it's worth noting that with this one, you've got that little element there that you can see. It's worth noting as a little bit of a comparison to this one. This one here is for the pale export, and this one is a little bit fancier with that extra element that's in there.